Welcome to Module 2, where we'll delve into deep learning, the cutting edge of artificial intelligence that has powered many of the recent breakthroughs you've heard about, from image recognition to advanced language models. So, what exactly is deep learning? It's a specialized branch of machine learning that uses artificial neural networks with multiple layers, hence deep. Unlike traditional ML algorithms that often require manual feature engineering, deep learning models to automatically learn intricate patterns and representations directly from raw data, whether it's images, text, or audio. Think of it as mimicking the human brain's structure. Our brains have billions of interconnected neurons, organized in layers, processing information hierarchically. Deep learning networks are designed with a similar layered structure, where each layer learns to detect different features or aspects of the input data, building up from simple patterns to complex ones. For example, in an image recognition task, an early layer might learn to detect edges. A subsequent layer might combine edges to detect shapes, then another layer might combine shapes to detect parts of an object, until finally the network can recognize a full object like a face or a car. This hierarchical feature learning is a key differentiator. Deep learning has revolutionized fields like computer vision and natural language processing, achieving performance levels previously thought impossible. In the next lecture, we'll start building these fascinating networks from the ground up.